Welcome back, friends, fellow meat enthusiasts. Today we're going to do another A and B test. You seem to be digging those. So I got two pieces of picanha. One of them, steak A, we're going to do salt, pepper, and garlic, pretty basic. Steak B, B is for black magic today. We're going to coat it in only black magic, and we're going to see which one comes out better. Got our salt, pepper, and garlic about applied. Picanha A, picanha B. We've only done picanha on this channel about 311 times. But we've never done it like this. Picanha A, fat side down. Picanha B. Picanha A. Picanha B. Oh man, both looking good. Picanha is hands down the best part of a sirloin top cut. All right, guys, you've probably seen this before if you watch this channel. My favorite way to cook a picanha is to cook it whole, and you're just searing the outside, and we're gonna slice it, and it's gonna look rare, and then we're gonna re-season those slices, put them back on the grill. Best way, in my opinion. Now, you've probably heard you slice picanha with the grain, contrary to like every other piece of steak meat there is. That's true, it works that way. I've done it enough times where I've done it the other way, which is a better presentation if it's raw. To me, really no difference. Really, it's good both ways. I'll do it to appease the masses the way you're used to, across the grain. Good hard sear on the outside. Totally rare in the middle. That's what you want when using this cooking method. And like I said, reapply that salt, pepper, and garlic after you got it sliced. Oh, look at that. So black magic has a very nice sizzling effect. Keep everything the same. I'm gonna slice with the grain once again. Ooh, that's hot on the outside and raw in the middle. A little bit of that black magic in the middle. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there is not just smoke from the fire. There is steam because the inside is still cold. Steak A, salt, pepper, garlic, picanha. We got our comically small cutting board with our gratuitously large knife to keep with tradition and because it's for science. Oh man, that's what I'm talking about. We gotta try this out. Steak A. Outstanding. Salt, pepper, and garlic, how I normally do it. It's about what I expect. Go ahead, film her. She may have got a bonus. Something may have hit the ground. It's not a pig farm we're running. It's a Rottweiler licking the floor. On the back of the bottle, Black Magic boasts you'll never taste a steak or a burger this good. We're gonna put that to the test. Steak B, Black Magic picanha. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty sexy. It's got a nice little crunch to it. Oh man. Steak B. Whoa. That is solid, but very different. The label says coat it in it. There's no such thing as too much. We did that. Let it sit 15 minutes. We did that. My opinion. This is good. This is tasty. Worth a try if you cook a lot of steaks. Salt, pepper, garlic. Can't fail. That's my preference. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.